tell me about your experience with coloring books, up until the point that we met. How was it going?
Yeah, so basically we started in I published my first book in December of 24.
Yeah.
Um we started talking around January. Actually
Okay.
January, and then bought the course back in February. So within
Yep.
those 2 months or so, I had published about 15 to maybe 18 coloring books. And December, I'm like, man, I'm gonna make some money because everybody talks a big game about December. So
Mhm.
let's see how these things go. So it wasn't going really hot. I made a little bit of money, and when I say a little bit, it was like a couple $100 every single month. But it was
Yeah.
mainly because I was losing money on the back end. Selling books for 7.99, I was making a profit of like $2.05 or whatever the case
Yeah.
was. And
Were you
I
running
was trying
ads?
to learn ads. Exactly. Yeah. I
Okay.
was trying to learn ads, and at the same time trying to learn the whole publishing game. I mean, I was just playing a losing game. If you ask me now, looking back,
Mhm.
it was terrible. But up to that point, with my experience in network marketing, I knew that in order to succeed in something, you almost need
Mm.
somebody to guide you throughout that process. At that point, I mean, I was willing to invest because I was committed to it. I'm like, man, 15 comic books in, I am not gonna stop now. I'm just gonna keep
Mm.
going. But I didn't want to keep wasting time because I
Mhm.
was like, man, I'm running ads like the gurus talk about in YouTube, right? I'm
Mhm.
not really seeing the results. So I'm doing everything that I know what to do. So I know I'm missing some information that's going to take me to the next level. And funny enough, as I was pursuing, learning more about how to run properly, the ads, I came to saw your video, and it was a
Okay.
specific video talking about how to run ads profitably. In that video, you shared a list of
Yeah.
negative terms that you can give Amazon, so that way they're not promoting
The
your books
deny
to other
list.
websites. Deny list. Yep,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm like, man, this guy knows what he's doing, man. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
I adjusted my ads. I followed. I kind of related because you also did coloring books, and you talked about
Yeah.
how you and your wife
Yeah.
put like a whole year into it, making
Yeah.
coloring videos because we were doing the same thing, man.
Right.
So
You and
seeing
your
that
wife
video,
were working on.
absolutely, man. We did
Yeah.
the whole ordeal,
Yeah.
cranking videos every single day, man. But that's kind of how, I was, I started changing my mind when it comes to, okay, I'm gonna start focusing on coloring books.
Mm.
Let me invest so that I can get better results in a smaller period of time rather than extending the journey.
So, based on your prior experience, you knew that, hey, I'm not getting the results I want. I should probably work with somebody who is getting results, is proven, so I could speed up this process instead of just burning through cash endlessly. So you kind of already knew that.